5 new recalls hit this week, including a meat and poultry alert that just dropped. If you didn't catch these, here's everything you need to check before you cook tonight. First, the jalapeno salmonella outbreak is officially spreading. As of August 8th, the USDA issued a new alert for meat and poultry products made with the recalled jalapeños. This is on top of the produce recall already affecting Kroger, Target, Walmart, and Whole Foods. That one's still developing. Here's what else you missed. Sun Noodle recalled their Sura Tanmen soup base, about 134 packages, for an undeclared fish allergen. If you have a fish allergy, this one's a direct risk, not just a contamination scare. Lex Under Inc., doing business as Food to Live, recalled their green powder products over possible salmonella contamination. If you're into supplements or smoothie add-ins, check your pantry. This next one's easy to miss because it's not even meat or produce. Blank Slate Creamery issued an allergy alert on their vegan, non-dairy frozen dessert coconut fudge sandwiches for undeclared egg. If you bought these specifically because they're dairy-free, this defeats the purpose for anyone with an egg allergy too. And Ucrop's Homestyle Foods recalled about 22,880 pounds of baked spaghetti and chicken cobbler over metal slivers found in the product. Best buy dates from July 8th through August 5th. 5 recalls, 5 different reasons: allergens, bacteria, even metal. And the jalapeno outbreak isn't done yet. I'll be back the second something new drops, because with this one, something always does.